Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring the sidecar opening precisely, width, height, and depth, because fit dictates function. Once done, choose your door material: steel for strength or aluminum for weight savings, plywood only if reinforced. Make sure to gather tools now: grinder, welder, or heavy-duty rivet gun, clamps, and a set of hinges rated for the door weight. Mark your cut lines and clamp a straight edge to guide the saw. This first stage removes guesswork and sets you up for accurate assembly. Next, cut the door panel and shape its edges with a 1/8 clearance to avoid binding. You'll reinforce the perimeter. Weld or rivet a 20 to 30 mm flange or channel to maintain rigidity and distribute load. This prevents sag over time. Attach hinge plates to door and frame, using temporary bolts so you can adjust alignment. Once the door swings smoothly and gaps are even, lock the hinge positions. Then replace temporary fasteners with permanent hardware. This mid-stage balances fit. Finally, fit a continuous weather strip and a secure latch. Aim for roughly 5 to 8 millimeters of compression so the seal keeps water out without causing drag. Prime and paint any exposed metal, then lubricate hinges and operate the door through its full range to check for vibration issues on the road. If the door binds or rubs, make small adjustments, shim hinges or trim about 0.5 to 1 mm from the offending edge, and retest. That single troubleshooting step fixes most alignment problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.